Welcome to Snail Mail 101 with Love Jack. That's me, Jacqueline Carter. Thank you so much for joining us. We are so excited you decided to be someone who sends mail. Good old-fashioned, hold it in your hand snail mail. In theory, sending mail should be easy. It only takes 4 things: the card, the address, postage, and time to write. Thinking about it this way, it seems like everyone should be able to send mail, right? Wrong. There's this thing called life that gets in the way. Our days are busy and our schedules are filled with so many to-dos. Many times it just seems like we're trying to survive. And as awesome as technology is, it seems to have complicated things. There is so much to keep up with and information can be sent in a second. In this world of Instagram, Snapchat, text messaging, and email right in your pocket at all times, it almost seems pointless to write a letter. It's easy to see why that's the first thing to go. However, since you're here, we know you see value of slowing down, putting away your phone, and picking up a pen. The magic of writing a note to someone you care about is wonderful. Even better is the feeling they get when they open their mailbox and they can hold the physical expression of your thoughtfulness in their hands. It's the best. Right? That's why you're here. Think about this e-course as letter writing boot camp for the tech age. You're probably feeling this need to slow down, but the rest of the world is going by so fast it feels impossible. Well, you came to the right place because we've figured it out. Here's our secret. The key to slowing down is to make a plan. Over the past several years, we've tried many techniques, but making a plan is always what makes it happen. We are going to show you exactly how to get your system in place for sending more mail. Here's what you can expect in this workshop. Before we get into the logistics, we must start with the most important question. Why do you want to be a friend who sends a letter in the mail? There are so many positives to putting a note in the mail. If we can identify which ones drive you to want to send more mail, it will make it that much easier for you to make it a priority. Once you identify your why, we will simplify the basics, the elements of snail mail. We will walk you through each part, identify what you need, and give you tips to make it easier. Now choose which type of mail sender you want to be. We've broken this down into 4 categories: birthday cards, thank you notes, thinking of you cards, and holiday cards. You can decide to be all of the above or pick and choose from each category. There are different techniques and preparation depending on the type of card you want to send. Let us walk you through it and set you up to succeed. One of the reasons we love sending snail mail is it's an added opportunity to get creative. Whether you're making your own cards or simply decorating your envelope, this is your chance to add some creative time to your day. It doesn't matter if it's just 2 minutes or an hour. We believe creative time is me time, and anytime you can add a little bit more me time to your day, it will make your day better. It doesn't matter how big or small that time is. This is the fun part, and you get to decide how much time you want to add. Dedicate 1 day a month to fitting in a crafternoon, or wake up a little bit early every day to start your day off by making some mini art. To help inspire you, we've created 6 lessons, each based on a different art supply: stamps, stickers, watercolor, washi tape, stencils, and lettering. Once you have these in your arsenal, you can mix and match, and there will be no limit to what you can create. Finally, finish off this workshop with some of our personal stories, where we share with you what has worked, what hasn't, and what we've learned along the way. Thank you so much for joining us. Over time, I hope we really all become friends. Make sure you join our private Facebook group where we can all have conversations about what is working and what isn't working. And as always, you can tag us or DM us on Instagram. We are Love Jack Cards over there. We promise to make your time with us as productive and inspiring as possible. If you have a question at any point, feel free to email me directly. My email is jack@lovejack.com. All right, it's time to create, share, and connect with Snail Mail 101.